fucking idiot. Don't stop, you fuckheads. Brilliant fucking work. There's a good fail.
Brief parade is down to just one lane in both directions over the West Bank Freeway. Albert Park is seeing Lakeside Drive closed for works between Albert Road and Queens Road. You can take Queens Road or Canterbury Road and...
Jesus Christ.
Nobody likes a bogan.
Fuck!
Oh shit!
Thanks, fuckwit.
Shit! Fucking idiot!
Oh, who's that?
Threw a cigarette butt out. Oh shit!
Oh, bloody
Fucking idiot!
God.
Why is everyone so fucking stupid?
This guy. What was I watching? Yo! Hey Siri, take note.
What's your problem, schmuck? I'm an inconsiderate prick!
Oh! Fuck! What's this fucking doing?
Really?
Send that into dashcam.
You're fags.
Watch where you
Oh, yes.
Wow, you're great. You fucking idiot.
You should never give a dummy like that a license.
Dickhead!
Don't try to understand 'em, just round 'em up and brand 'em with a Southern Cross tattoo and sleeves both sides.
Dickhead, you're such a dickhead, and everybody knows it, everyone but you. you're a dickhead. I hope you'll soon be dead.
I piss everybody off and ignore the red lights. I'm a cyclone. He's a cyclone. I'm a cyclone. He's a cyclone.
Probably, yeah. Maybe.
And they're trying to have a third fight together. See that? Evander called him out on his Instagram yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yeah. He looks good, man. He looks good. He's hitting the mitts.
Why not?
Yeah.
I'll probably watch it.
The thing is, they gotta make it